Black people got 3 gears in their body. 3 gears. First, second, and third when we hear a strange noise. First gear is walk fast. Second gear is run. Third gear is nigga, you need the book. See, a white man got 1 gear in his body when he hears a strange noise. A white guy be walking, he be like, yeah, man. Oh, save yourself. Save yourself. Let a brother hear a strange noise. He be walking with his friend, and them 3 gears kicking, and hear them noise. He be like, nigga, what was that, man? I don't know, man. See, nigga, what was that, man? I don't know.